Sharmel. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a 3-month lock update video. So let's get into it. So when I decided to do this video, I did not want my hair to look styled the exact same way it was in my 2-month lock update video. However, let me tell y'all a quick story. So I actually filmed this video a few days ago, but I got a new camera. I don't know if you guys can tell with the quality, but I got a new camera and I was a little overzealous in my production skills. So I had hooked up my mic to the camera and I'm like, oh yeah, this video about to be so professional. I'm about to do all of this. But I didn't actually test it. I just assumed that I had hooked it up correctly. And so I recorded a whole video. I had great footage of my hair. However, I didn't have any sound. And I didn't go back and watch my footage immediately. I didn't check my footage until like a couple of days later. And then I realized that the sound wasn't working. And at first I was just going to upload the video and do a voiceover, but I decided to just go ahead and re-record it. But that was 5 days ago. I was trying to recreate the style that I had when I originally filmed this video, but it was just not working. So I just put it up into my go-to style. So yeah, my hair is exactly the same how it was in my 2-month update video, but I am going to still insert clips from my first video I recorded without sound. I am going to insert the clips so you guys can see how my hair looks like. So now on to the 3-month update. Today is December 15th. I made 3 months on the 8th, so I'm a little over my 3-month mark. Honestly, as far as like my day-to-day maintenance, I haven't changed much. I'm still using the rose water and oils to keep my hair moisturized. I've done 2 retwists so far since I've installed my starter locks. I did recolor some of my hair, so I have another video on that. In general, in all of my lock videos, I tend to leave my lock journey playlists down in the description. So if you're ever interested in any of the videos that I talk about, definitely check out that link and it'll have all of my lock videos there. But yeah, like I said, as far as day-to-day maintenance goes, I haven't changed much. I did purchase 1 new product, y'all. I know I said in my last video that I was trying to get rid of products, but I also mentioned in my 2-month video that I had a lot of itchiness. I will say that since then, the itchiness has decreased significantly. I still get itchy here and there, but it's mainly when I haven't washed my hair for, like, if I'm past my 2-week mark of washing my hair, then that's when the itchiness will get a little bad, like around week 3. But in general, the itchiness has decreased significantly. But I did go ahead and pick up this item here, and this is the African Pride Black Castor Miracle Braid and Scalp Cleansing Rinse. So I did use this line when I was a loose natural, and for the most part I enjoyed their products. My hair liked their products, so that's why I was kind of gravitated towards this. And because it was a cleansing rinse, it's mainly for like protective styles, and it's supposed to cleanse, remove, build up, and soothe scalp during braided styles and under weaves. No frizz, no suds. It's made with black castor oil, micellar water, coconut oil, and peppermint oil. It has no parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no petroleum. So I was originally drawn to this because I figured I could use this to help some of the itchiness that my scalp was experiencing. So when I first purchased this, I didn't realize that you actually had to rinse it with water. So I don't want to say it defeats the purpose, but I just feel like if I have to rinse my hair with water, I might as well just shampoo it. So that's only the downside kind of to this product. But I did actually try it out yesterday, and it's pretty simple to use. You basically nozzle it through your hair, massage it into your scalp, and rinse it with water. I got in the shower and just rinsed it all out. And what I will say is that although the process is still very similar to washing your hair, my hair felt a lot softer than it does when I use shampoo. As you guys know, I do have color on my hair, and I'm not using conditioner on my hair during this beginning phase. It is a bit of a challenge retaining moisture on colored hair, especially when you're not using conditioner. So I do think that this would be a good supplement when I don't want to shampoo my hair, just because shampoo gives my hair that stripped feeling. So right now I'm still shampooing every 2 to 3 weeks. That's maybe 2 times a month. So I figured that maybe 1 time of the month I'll use this on my head instead of using shampoo, just so I'm not stripping my hair too much. But yeah, so far, I mean, I don't think it's a must-have product, but I did actually like the way that it made my hair feel, and it did soothe the itchiness. I'm getting irritated. These people are hammering. I have a meeting to go into in 13 minutes, so I'm trying to get this video done, and I have somewhere to go after I get out this meeting, and these people working on this house is really killing my vibe right now. Oh my god. Okay, so like I said, as far as like products and day-to-day routine goes, nothing has changed, but I have noticed a lot of changes within my hair this past month, and it's super exciting. So again, I had really good footage in my first video, so I'm going to use those clips with no sound, and I'm going to insert it here so you get a better close-up of my hair, just because my hair is pinned up and I have somewhere to go, so I don't really have time to take it down for you guys today. So the first thing that I've noticed with my hair is that it's starting to feel more like, I guess my hair is starting to compact more. When you do a 2-strand twist, even though it's twisted together, you know how you can kind of untwist it. I feel like a lot of my hair now, they still look like twists, but it's when you actually go to touch them, they don't like have that unraveling effect that a 2-strand twist has. And I feel like I said, they're just starting to compact more together. I also been experiencing like little knots at the end of my hair. I know that's a good sign, and I know I'm not supposed to cut them, so I've just been leaving them alone for the most part. I think just with me like touching my hair, one of them fell out, but yeah, I have been getting those little knots, stringy knots that hang from your hair. And then my actual nape is really starting to tangle. I don't know if this is considered budding, but the nape of my hair is definitely changing a lot. So these back here are my babies, y'all. I love these ones. Like, they just make me feel so good about this process.
And here's a full back view of my hair. As you guys can see, I'm starting to experience a lot more frizziness. And one thing that I forgot to mention is that I feel like my second retwist held up a lot longer. Like, my roots definitely kind of frizzed and sweated out at the same rate. But like I said, since my twists are starting to compact, when my retwist gets old, it just basically looks like I need a retwist and not like just really old, messy 2-strand twist, if that makes sense. So yeah, it's kind of hard to explain, but I can definitely notice a difference in how this second retwist held up compared to my initial install and my first retwist.
There wasn't much to go over for this 3-month lock update video. I was kind of hesitant on even doing a 3-month lock update, just because like I said, I feel like I didn't have much to say. But if you guys like these monthly updates, let me know. Or if you want to see like maybe every other month, let me know down in the description box. I kind of like the monthly though. I feel like in the grand scheme of things, it's easy to feel like your hair is not really doing much, but as I actually talk to you guys and I give you close-ups of my hair and stuff, I'd be like, oh yeah, my hair is actually changing a lot. That is it for this video. I hope I covered everything. I feel like my original video was a lot better, but we gonna work with it, okay? So again, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel, and I'll see you all in my next video.